दफ्तर स्टार्ट करने जा रहा हूँ। जो भी हमारी बच्चों की बास्केटबॉल ट्रेनिंग गाइडलाइन इस ट्रेनिंग सेशन, और मैं इतना खुश हूँ कि मैं इस खुशी को बयान ही नहीं कर सकता हूँ। मैं भी अमन सर के सामने अभी खड़ा हूँ और आगे जो भी मैं वर्क करूंगा बास्केटबॉल की, वो अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ अमन सर एंड फैसल सर की।
One thing I want to tell you, I really believe this. I'm not saying it for the sake of saying. Basketball is not just a game. It is not just a game which you dribble, where you pass, where you shoot. It's a way of life, and your coach will show you how. Very soon we'll see the Budgam district basketball team participating in the UT Championship in Jammu, and few of you would also get an opportunity to represent Jammu and Kashmir in the national championships also in the times to come, and that also helps you in getting admissions in professional colleges all across the country, the sports quota, etc. That is secondary. But primarily, I want you all to play basketball, enjoy basketball, and make it a part of your life.
We'll be certainly assuring, sir, on behalf of the Basketball Association and all schools who are associated with all lovers, basketball lovers, that we assure you that from Budgam, this unit will be certainly sending the players and mentoring them under your guidance. We'll be certainly sending them, and we'll allow that in Budgam, as in the rural areas, there are so many girls, so many boys who wish to be part of this game.
See, I believe as a mentor and as a trainer of the trainers, I feel that coaches are the people who inspire their students the most, more than the subject teachers, more than the parents. So this is an opportunity for the coaches to inspire the youth by the actions and by the way you live your life. You have an opportunity to set an example for the youth, and my coaches have been my inspiration, of course, and my slogan, my message to the youth would always be that work hard and be humble.
देखो, मैं एक ही चीज़ बोलना चाहता हूँ कि स्पोर्ट्स के रिगार्डिंग, स्पोर्ट्स इज़ नॉट ओनली फन. व्हेन यू आर मेंटली फिट, देन यू कैन अचीव ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन योर लाइफ. व्हेन यू आर फिजिकली फिट, यू कैन डू एनीथिंग. अगर आज के बच्चे हेल्दी नहीं है तो वो कैसे स्टडीज़ में एक्सेल कर सकते हैं. तो मेरी रिक्वेस्टें हैं और मेरी सजेशन सारे बच्चों से है कि कम फॉरवर्ड स्पोर्ट्स, एक फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्टिसिपेशन लो एज सुन एज पॉसिबल, क्योंकि आपकी हेल्थ उससे अच्छी रहेगी. और आप
Good morning everyone, I'm Seher, and today on 20th of August 2025, our girls basketball team organized an event. In the event, we had Mr. Aman Sharma, who is the current international basketball coach of the Indian team, and we were also blessed to have Mr. Mohammad Faisal, who is the treasurer of the JNK Basketball Association. Today's event was such a blessing for us, and I'm really thankful to Mr. Ahmed Qadir, who made possible connections and made this event come into a reality.
So now Budgam has got its own basketball association, and it all feels unreal to us that we have been provided with such great opportunities. It's all because of our dedication towards basketball, the endless efforts put by our coach Mr. Ahmed Qadir and our director of our school Mr. Baba Nazrul Islam, that today we see a dream coming true. It feels like an honor that the international coach Mr. Aman Sharma visited our school today and shared his inspiring and encouraging words that motivated us to keep playing basketball and never quit.
So now, talking about our experience, we started playing basketball around 2 years ago, and I personally played basketball because I like throwing the ball into the hoop. But the realization struck us when we actually lost the first match with Madam Sim School, and from that day we started taking our basketball seriously. And over the days we developed a sense of, we developed a game sense, we developed team strength and everything, sportsmanship we developed. And we have won a lot of matches, but we have lost more than that. But it is not just about losing or winning, it is a part of the game. But the actual game is about being dedicated and having the courage to play.